Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw the cutest little but dangerous as well. A dinosaur drawing, yes. Hmm. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will teach you step by step. This is so easy. You can draw, anybody can draw. So relax and grab your pen, paper and get comfy and let's start drawing together. Okay? Yay, we are done guys. Our little black pen dinosaur drawing is almost ready. Still cute, still simple and super cute, adorable, happy because you draw it with so much love. If you like this drawing with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tell me in the comments what I should draw next. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, stay safe and happy. Bye bye. Bye bye.